As dawn breaks over the villages of Bangladesh, a soft golden light washes across the fields, where the mist slowly lifts and life awakens. The aroma of steaming rice flour, jaggery, and coconut drifts through the morning air. Villagers dressed in colorful saris and traditional Punjabis begin to gather in open courtyards, decorated with festive banners and marigold garlands. Today is no ordinary morning. It's the day of the Pitha Festival, a cherished celebration of culture, community, and the flavors that unite generations. The festival hums with energy. Stalls made of bamboo and thatched roofs line the pathways, each displaying trays of freshly made pithas, golden, crispy, and soft, each with its own regional story. Elderly women sit on low wooden stools, skillfully shaping dough by hand, their laughter mingling with the sizzle of hot griddles. Children run around carrying banana leaf plates filled with sweets, their faces glowing with joy and powdered sugar. A gentle rhythm of traditional drums plays in the background, weaving together sound, taste, and movement into one living mosaic of Bengali heritage. At the heart of the festival, large clay stoves burn steadily, fed by firewood that crackles and smokes beneath blackened pans. Men pour liquid jaggery syrup over the pithas, while women sprinkle shredded coconut and sesame seeds on top. The crowd gathers closer, drawn by the sight of bubbling syrup and the scent of caramelized rice. Nearby, artisans sell handmade toys, woven baskets, and clay pots, each piece echoing the beauty of rural craftsmanship. The marketplace becomes a dance of colors, reds, yellows, and greens, shimmering under the sunlight. The Pitha Festival is not just about food, it's about memory and belonging. Each recipe carries a story passed down through generations, often whispered by grandmothers beside smoky stoves. The Nakshi Pitha, with its intricate patterns, mirrors the artistry of the land. The Baba Pitha, steamed in banana leaves, holds the warmth of family bonds. And the Chitoi Pitha, served with spicy mustard sauce, brings laughter to every shared bite. Every flavor tells a tale of resilience, creativity, and love. As the day deepens, the festival turns livelier. Folk singers perform under makeshift tents, while dancers twirl to the rhythm of dole and ektara. The crowd claps along, their voices rising in unison. Tourists from cities and neighboring regions watch in awe, their cameras capturing the timeless beauty of a culture so deeply rooted, yet so alive. Sunlight filters through palm trees, glinting off the brass plates piled high with sweets, reflecting smiles and memories in every direction. When evening arrives, the air cools and the scent of wood smoke lingers. Lanterns light up one by one, painting the village in warm orange and gold. Families gather to share their final plates of pitha as laughter echoes through the fields. The festival begins to wind down, but its spirit lingers in every heart. It is more than an event. It's a living tradition that ties people to their roots, blending old stories with new dreams. As night falls over the land of rivers and songs, one thing remains constant: the unity and warmth that the Pitha Festival brings to Bangladesh. It is a celebration not only of food, but of identity, togetherness, and the enduring beauty of life shared among family, friends, and strangers alike.